if you are into affirmations and positive self-talk and all of that, this is a deck that I am enjoying. If you already read the book, it's even better. So the artwork that the artist did on this one was amazing. I really enjoyed it. I actually read the book, and this was a great addition. So it comes with 52 cards. They have different art, and then they have, of course, different affirmations for the universe as your back. So as you can see, you can just shuffle them around depending on what you need on the day. If they motivate you in different ways, it will make sense to you, especially if you already read the book. It's just like a great compliment and a great reminder to have, especially whenever you need that extra, like, positive affirmation. This one, for instance, says, I surrender to a power greater than me. Hope is a conduct for miracles. And when I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted, and so on and so forth. Okay?